Assalamualaikum and Hi Madam. We are from Group 4 will be presenting our prototype which is UiTM Students E-Attendance System, and this is our team members which includes 5 students, Zul, Lukman, Farisha, IZYAN and Ain. So without wasting time, let's get started.
Hi, my name is FARISHA ADNI and I will present about introduction of UiTM. UiTM is bridal to remember with its establishment as an Institute of Technology MARA, ITM in 1967. This institute was a breakthrough result for visionary Malaysian leaders, especially former second Prime Minister the late Tun Abdul Razak. Aside from the main campus in Shah Alam, the university now has 12 state campus, 7 of which are state autonomous campus. Apart from the main campus in Shah Alam, the university now has campus in each state with a total of 35 branch campus. Many things have led to changes in the UiTM system since COVID-19 hit, especially the change from a face-to-face learning system to the online system. Now the online distance learning, which is ODL, has become a norm for UiTM. The institute has innovated towards a new attendance system, which is e-attendance, which is to take attendance online via UiTM platform, which is UFuture. For current system, UiTM has introduced and used a system called UFuture. UFuture is a platform for distributing online learning content to anybody who wants to take a course, with no restriction on how many people can participate. UFuture is a system that replaces the iLearn platform that used previously, where the feature system and platform have been improved, not only in terms of display, but also in terms of usage. UFuture has various functions such as viewing course being taken, submitting assignment, downloading file from lecturers, conducting exam, and marking attendance. The use of UFuture makes it very easy not only for students but also for lecturers to send instruction and receive assignment. Students must first register for UFuture system, for example, to track their attendance. By clicking on it, students must locate the subject online class schedule. The information on the display will include the class name, date, start time, end time, platform use, provided link if the lecturer is teaching an online class, attendance information, and the class status. Now, for process or flow data in the current system, the lecturer will take attendance via the UFuture platform before to each class beginning. Students must check into UFuture, click Add My Course or Subject, and then choose the courses they want to sign in for. They can choose an online class option from the site navigation panel. They can view the class schedule by clicking on Online Class. According to the class schedule, students have the option of registering or checking their attendance. They can see the live link for their online classes on this page as well, so they only need to click on it to access them. They also have the option to register to track or to verify their attendance. They must click on the present and return to the online class if they are present for the class. The student can always view their class attendance by clicking on View, and then they can also check their attendance from previous classes.
In the UFuture system, they have faced many issues and problems that have been complained by students every semester. UFuture, like the most system, has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. It is the problem not just for students, but also for the staff and lecturer. They have 3 problems, which is system, staff or lecturer, and also student. For system, it will be ineffective if there is no power supply. If there is no power source, software becomes worthless. Then UFuture is difficult to maintain and repair. It is just a software that is needed for proper maintenance. Though it might be rare, once it is damaged, this will be expensive to sake of repairing. Then, problem that faced by the staff or lecturer that lecturer need to create the attendance, but once the server is down, the lecturer will be able to make attendance. Lecturer also could face the problem verifying student attendance, because when student has the problem to tick their attendance on UFuture, the lecturer need to do manually to verify their attendance, such as tick on paper that have a list of student name, and also maybe they need to screen capture on Google Meet that needs student to open their camera. The main problem faced by students when using UFuture are students have their poor internet connection when they are at home, because to use the system or UFuture, students need a strong internet connection for verify their attendance or submit their assignment. Then, this problem that always faced by students in every semester is one and only problem that they have a failed server.
Next, I will proceed with the objective of the new system. The current system method used in UiTM for class attendance causes many issues to lecturer. This is because, firstly, the current system, which is UFuture, are always down. UFuture are the main platform for student and lecturer to access for class, assessment, and assignment. When many users use the UFuture platform at one time, it will create a congested traffic system and make the system down. Secondly, students can cheat and mark their attendance even if they are not attending class, especially in online classes. Hence, the new system and e-attendance app was set up for students to tick their attendance and lecturers to monitor students marking their attendance. It can minimize the traffic system because the apps are only used for student attendance. Lecturers also can display a QR code when the class starts or before the class ends, and students need to scan using their own account in the application. QR codes can only be accessed using the camera in the application, and students cannot upload QR codes pictures that shared by other friends. For example, if there are students who want to help their friends, which is other students who are not attending class, by sharing a picture of the QR code, the picture cannot be used because e-attendance simply cannot upload a picture. It can only be accessed using a camera. Furthermore, the QR code is only available for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the QR codes cannot be used anymore. Technically, this app is helping by identifying the students who are not attending class, easy for lecturer to monitor the student attendance, and reducing the rate of attendance fraud among students. The objective of this new UiTM e-attendance is to develop a student attendance that able to replace the previous system. The system will have the following function. Firstly, is to identifying the student who are attending or not attending classes. With the new system, it is easy for lecturer to track the number of students who attending the class and number of students who tick their attendance. If the number is not same or tally, there are students who forgot or did not tick the attendance. Secondly, data collected is accurate. It enables lecturer to record, manage, and compile daily student attendance data. Along with student attendance, it also allows lecturer to generate 100% accurate student attendance report. Data collected by an automated system is more accurate because the process is carried out by a computer. And lastly, to reducing the rate of attendance fraud among students. These e-attendance apps will help in reducing the rate of attendance fraud among students because students who are not attending the class
And now,
will not available
let's move to our
the
prototype,
attendance.
which is UiTM e-attendance systems. This is the lecturer's view. First, the lecturer will have to log into the system using their staff ID and password. And then, they need to click the sign in button. After successfully signing in, lecturers will see their own profile interface. Lecturers now can select view courses to view a list of available classes and subjects. When a class is about to start, lecturers can click on the Choose Group tab to view their group of classes. Then, the lecturer can create the QR code. After lecturers successfully create QR, it will appear like this for students to scan. Lecturer can also click on online schedule to view their classes schedule. The attendance record will be displayed. This allows lecturers to check students' attendance. Lecturer can click view to display students' attendance record. After successfully creating the online attendance, lecturers can sign out as a final step.
Next is the student's view. First, the student will have to log in to the system using their student ID and password. After successfully signing in, students will see their own profile interface. Student can click on Scan QR attendance to scan. The next step is for students to validate their attendance by scanning the QR code. When students successfully scan the code, this page will show their attendance has been verified. Students can now sign out after verifying their attendance.
So, that's all our presentation for our prototype. Thank you.